Hey friends, Tux here. You know, when it comes to the Samsung S25 Ultra, people have asked me, they've seen me with it, okay? They know my daily driver is my Sony Xperia phone, okay? But I have a few phones, and the Samsung phone, the S25 Ultra, is a great phone, but I have been using it very reluctantly because I've been worried about it being out in public as far as dropping it or breaking it or whatever. So I haven't been taking it outside, but I've done some research, okay? And out of the phone cases I've seen and people I've talked to, this is the one that I decided to go with after extensive research, okay? This is the BENKS, and this is a Kevlar case, okay? I wanted something that was light on the front, okay? And I know there's some people are like, you have to cover the front, you know, but I've done pretty good with my Sony, and I trust that I'm not going to have a front problem. I'm more worried about a drop problem and having protection around the sides and the back. So this is what I went with, guys. This uses real Kevlar. Okay, so this is the same thing that people use for like bulletproof vests and things like that. Okay, so very cool. It comes in a very giftable package too. This is how it comes from Amazon, and I will have a link for you right below. So be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. But if you have S25 Ultra, or they have other brands too. They have Apple. They have other brands or styles of Samsung phones. So even if you don't have the S25 Ultra, if you have something else, this could very well work for that too. Just click the link and it'll take you to the site, and then from there you can check out other phones as well. But this is the Armor Pro 6000, okay? And this is a magnetic case, okay, which works well with other, it doesn't affect other aspects of the phone. Like some people don't like magnetic cases because it can mess with other things, but it's safe, so I won't worry about that too much. Thin and light, high protection, which is really great. And again, this particular one is designed for the Samsung 25 Ultra. So on the back here, you can see it is made with a DuPont Kevlar. So very good stuff. This isn't some kind of Temu Kevlar or whatever. This is very solid. Let's go ahead and open this up here and we'll check it out together. I have touched this. This has a really cool texture to it, which I'll show you, and we'll touch it together on camera here. So this has a kind of a cool rubbery grip. Let me go ahead and pull this out here. I like the little fake phone on the inside here. We'll pull that out, okay? And there's really nothing, I don't think there's anything in the inside. This is just like a little holder for it, but nice presentation for sure. Like I'm definitely digging that. They put a lot of time and thought into the package, and you might be like, oh, that doesn't matter. It kind of does. It shows they care enough about the product to make it awesome, you know? So very cool stuff, okay? So on the back here, you can see it has a real nice, like, it has a Kevlar look to it, but it has a nice soft touch plastic feel to it, so it's not going to be rough. And this part right here, around the camera hole area, is actually metal, which is really nice too, okay? Here it does have a little thing here. Looks like this is just kind of a safety seal. That's really interesting, like I guess to make it not returnable or something, I don't know. On the inside here, you can see it is built with real Kevlar, and that is a DuPont Kevlar, okay? And then right here it does have that magnet grip, so it will work. I guess magnet grip sometimes can be bad for remote, like wireless charging, you know, and this won't have a problem with that. Okay, so good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the very interesting little safety seal, the little guy there. That's pretty bizarre in my book, and we'll go ahead and pull this off. So there we go. So now I have broken the seal. Feels great, nice rubbery. It is like on the back here, you can feel a little texture under it, but it is smooth to the touch and soft to the touch too. On the inside, same here, just a slight texture you can feel. Okay, so it's not quite as rough as like the Sony Xperia that, you know, is like bumpy. It's not bumpy, it's very smooth, which is good. And you definitely do feel that metal, especially in like a cold AC environment. You can feel the cold off that metal. It's nice and metally, okay? All right, so here's the S25 Ultra. Okay, and we're just going to pop this in place. I'm sure you guys have put on phone cases before, but we'll just take a look at how this looks with the case on. It should just snap in place very easily. There we go. And you can see a really solid look. It looks sleek, looks cool. Love the metal, looks high quality. Definitely a good little phone case for it. We have a nice exposure hole here for the pen, so you can see I can definitely take out the pen without a lot of problems or anything. We'll pop that back in again. The pen is something which I started using with the Note, and I'm actually a fan of the pen. I like it a lot, and that's one thing that draws me to this. This is kind of like the next generation of the Note series, which of course got a bad rap when they started blowing up, but that's a video for another day. But anyway, I'm a big fan of the pen. So right here we do have the USB-C charging. You can see it's very easy to get to. Right there, rather. Everything is nice and exposed and ready for you, which is cool. The buttons are raised, so it is not just like smooth. You can feel like a tap tactile feel to them. So if you're in the car, you're driving, you're trying to crank the volume up or something, it definitely feels clicky. You can feel the push on it. It is separate. It's not just like pushing plastic. You know, it is a button actually, which is really cool. Up here we have little holes for the mic. Very cool. And you can see this really nice look to it. Very sleek, very cool looking. Here's a quick close-up look. You can see that Kevlar so in action in the metal. So anyway, just a great little phone case. If you are looking for a phone case for your S25 Ultra, this is what I would recommend, okay? All right, guys, I'll have a link for you right below. If you have any questions, I know this is a quick overview, but if you have any questions, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, okay? You guys know I'm here to help. All right, we'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye. Click the link.